Hello, today's magical colors. Let's draw cat. To draw cat, we need one pencil, one marker. Okay, so let's draw cat. To draw cat, we need to make circle first. Doesn't have to be perfect. Try to make as round as you can. Okay, then we need two ears, pointy, on each side, left and right. Now we need two circle for eye and pupil too. We need to do triangle nose, little bit. You can also do U and make a line. Now we're going to do W and connect. Cats has whiskers, you know that? Let's put 3 dots on each side and make a line that goes outside the circle for our whiskers. Now we need to make one line on the left side and go out like an backwards L. Everybody knows how to make, right? And then we need to make one more line and just stop inside this leg to show that it's a behind leg, okay? And connect them. Yeah, we got one leg and two leg. Now we need to make body for the cat. So we're going to make like an S. Make a round curve inside to show backwards leg. And then we need to make one tail. Cat has a cute tail, right? So you can make it now. Let's do outline with the marker. Going to make a round. Try to make it as round as you can. Okay, and then we need a pointy ears on both the side. We need circle and one more circle and a pupil inside the circle. Going to make a U shape and connect. We're going to make our U shape nose with dark color and make a W. Now we need 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 dots on each side. Now we are doing whiskers. Do you see whiskers? Yeah. Okay, now let's make backwards L and one more backwards L. And then connect and connect. Now we're going to make letter S as we already made it. So just follow the lines. There you go. Now we need to make a tail. This looks like also backward, also like an S, just a regular S. Okay. Now I will show you how to make a rat. You want to learn rat? Cats like to chase rats, right? So make one line from here to here. Make a line and just make a pointy from here and connect like a teardrop and make a tail. Mouse has long tails, right? You need 2 ears, one outside, one inside, and eyes. Let's make one more. Make a V shape and then make a little big, actually big. You can also make like a letter C and connect. Make a letter backward C and connect. Now connect both the C. Okay, now we're going to put 2 dots for the eyes and a little nose. 1, 2, 3 whiskers. 1, 2, 3 whiskers. Right? And make a curve like a C. Go down and make a line from here and 2 little legs. When I see mouse or rat, I remember the movie Ratatouille. Did you guys watch Ratatouille? It's a nice movie. In that, rat cooks the food. Yeah, he was a chef. So this is our cat. Let's write cat. K-A-T. Cat. Right? And this is rat. So let's write rat. R-A-T. Rat. Do you want to make baby cat? That is called kitten. So let's draw one more kitten. Okay, so kitten is just like a mommy. Make a circle. Make 2 ears. And kitten is sleeping right now. See? Eyes is closed. You can put some eyelashes if you like to. Let's make a nose. You see? Small nose, triangle. And make a W. Baby kitten also has whiskers. Baby kitten has a small whiskers because she is little. Right? And now let's make a letter C. For baby kitten, we need to make 3 lines. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? I'm making big and small lines. Now you connect them with W and make a cute tail like mama tail. You see? Cute, right? Now you try mama cat or baby kitten, whatever you like. Let's write kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten and cat. See you for next time. Bye.